Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to turn off Window Defender on Windows 10 laptop. So let's go. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the bottom right here, and then you have to make sure you navigate to your Windows Stats. Click on that. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to Settings. So click on Settings right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Update and Security right here. Click on that. Then take you right here. What you need to do next is to simply go to Security window, click on that, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Firewalls and Threat Protection, just like so. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and then click on Start Actions. Then what you need to do is to simply click on Manage Settings. So it will take you to your real-time protection right here. What you need to do is to simply turn this off. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.